Most people who recall the famous psychological experiment called the marshmallow test may believe that millennials and Generation Z are inclined to easily give in to instant gratification. So if you were to leave some millennials in a room with any of their favorite treats like cookies, chocolates or marshmallows, giving them a choice to consume it immediately or wait while you return with another treat, the chances are they would consume it, making them appear impatient and indulgent. But things might have changed for millennials after the COVID-19 pandemic. Most millennials have seen an economic crisis like the one in 2008. They have also seen retirement funds evaporate, some public markets becoming less dependable, debts growing and job prospects reducing. Millennials and Gen Z have been considerate about savings and investments as an important part of financial planning, according to Tata Capital's flagship report. But instruments such as insurance have never been a priority. However, according to Saurabh Basu, Head Wealth Management at Tata Capital Financial Services, the pandemic may have changed that trend. Previously, only 17% of millennials preferred investing in an insurance policy as per the Tata Capital report, while 34% considered bank deposits as appropriate investment instruments. COVID-induced job losses and salary cuts have taught the generation that it is important to plan their finances well to sail through tough times. The Center for Monitoring Indian Economy data as of May 5th suggested nearly 1.8 crore salaried employees lost their jobs in April. Here are a few tips from the experts for the millennials and Gen Z who believe in saving up for a rainy day. Build an emergency corpus. The first step is to ensure that you have an emergency fund in hand that takes care of your most essential expenses. Also, do not forget to keep reviewing such emergency fund from time to time. Manage debt and financial obligations. Defaults in loan payments can push you into a debt trap. So try not to stop EMI payments if any, even in case of a job loss. Use the emergency fund if needed. And it's always a good idea to pause credit purchases in tough times. Paying off your credit card dues immediately will also take some burden off. Get your insurance right. According to Saurabh Basu, regularly investing in updating insurance coverage is a must. Insurance should be seen as a priority. Revisit your financial goals. While restaurant and shopping bills may have gone down during the lockdown, refrain from unnecessary spending. According to Money Control's Hiral Thanawala, it is best to postpone any big ticket purchases even if you have budgeted for it. Do not withdraw from your retirement corpus. Here's some advice from Viresh Patel, CFP, founder of Financial North. Do not touch your provident fund or any other investments earmarked for your retirement because it can hurt your retirement kitty in the long term. Withdrawing from your EPF corpus should be your last option. Invest, invest, invest. That's the mantra. There is no better way to save up than keeping a strict regime on investing a portion of your earnings in the good times. The pandemic has brought the need of serious financial planning at the forefront, and focusing on investments is as important as keeping a tab on your expenses.